Welcome to the new video, guys. In this video we are going to discuss about the usage of dimensional analysis. What are the usage of dimensions and its analysis that we will discuss in this video right now today. So it is very easy. Okay guys, so before wasting the time, let's start the topics. So first usage of dimensional analysis is to check the correctness of a physical quantity. What? Physical quantity. So the physical quantity can be checked by the usage of dimensional analysis. Suppose a physical equations is given here, okay, and the physical equations will be dimensionally correct if all the terms added or subtracted in the left side and right side of the equations have same dimensional formula, or simply if the left side dimensions are equal to the right side dimensions, then this is called the principle of homogeneity also, or we can say this equation is dimensionally correct. Suppose we have a given equations that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as, okay, and if the left physical quantity of these equations including all dimensional values are equal to the right sides, then these equations will be dimensionally correct, okay. And this principle is also called principle of homogeneity. What we'll call? Principle of homogeneity, guys, okay, of dimensional, or the consistency of dimensions also we can say. So this is the first usage of dimensions that we can see to check the correctness of a physical quantity, okay guys. So if any equation is given and if the left side of the equations dimensionally equal to the right side of that equations, then that equation is considered as the dimensionally correct equations, okay. So if you want to check the correctness of a physical quantity, then we can use the dimensional analysis. So this is the first usage. Second use, okay, this is a very important also. Second use is to derive a physical equation. What? To derive a physical equation. If you wanna derive a physical equations, then by the dimensional analysis we can easily derive a physical equations. Suppose we want to derive the relations between force, mass and accelerations, then by taking the dimensional analysis easily we can derive its formula or its equations. Later on we will discuss about its derivations also, because if you derive all the topics one by one, then the topics becomes, the video will be very long, okay. That's why in next video we will discuss about these all topics in detail, okay guys. So now we are using and we are studying the uses, that's why let's focus on the uses only. So second usage is dimensional analysis is used to derive a physical equation, guys. Clear? Now the third use is to find the dimensions of dimensional constant. To find the dimensions of dimensional constants, okay. So if you want to find the dimension of dimensional constants, but then we can easily find the dimensions of dimensional constants by dimensional analysis. Suppose we have a formula that is f is equal to g m1 m2 by d square. Then let's see in this formula, this capital G is gravitational constant, no? So in this formula the dimension of force we know, the dimension of mass easily we can find, the dimension of distances also we can easily find, but what will be the dimension of this capital G, that is the gravitational constant? Then if you want to find it the dimension of this gravitational constant, then easily we can find by taking the dimensional analysis of its dimensions, okay guys. So later on we will discuss about it also, because in this video we only want to focus on the main usage of the dimensional analysis. So the third usage is to find the dimensions of dimensional constants. Okay, and the last usage, that is number 4, is to convert what, to convert one system of units, one system of units into another system of units, guys. Okay, so if you want to convert one system of units into another system, then easily we can convert by taking the dimensional analysis. Suppose we have many systems. We have already studied in measurement chapter about the system of units. We have many system like a CGS system, MKS system, no, FPS system. So if you want to convert CGS into MKS, or MKS into FPS, or CGS into FPS, or FPS into CGS, like this, then easily we can convert one system of unit into another system by taking the dimensional analysis. Okay, so these are the 4 important usage of dimensional analysis. The first usage was to check the correctness of a physical quantity, second one was to derive a physical equations, third one is to find the dimensions of dimensional constants, and last one is, we can say, dimensional analysis is used to convert one system of units into another system of units, guys. Okay, so these are the uses. I hope you have understand very well, and if you have understand, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you, guys.